the cooling fan is next, and for that we went to Derale and got one of their 2-speed electric fans with the aluminum shroud. Now Derale uses some heavy-duty motors on their fans, so this is perfect as a primary cooling fan. And the unique shape of the blades fan to pull 2,400 CFM of air through that radiator, which is going to be great. Now, one of the main causes of overheating is not running a shroud with a fan. That's why these Derale units come with the aluminum shroud. It forces the fan to pull more air through more of the radiator core and give you better cooling. Now, to control this fan, we're going to use this electric fan controller, which adjusts the speed of the fan depending on the temperature we've set, so the thing is not just running wide open all the time. The brackets that come with the kit make it very simple to mount the fan to the radiator. All right, now we are ready to fit the radiator to the truck. And fortunately, the grills on these old power wagons come off as one big piece, giving us great access to the front of the truck. Once the radiator is mocked in place, we'll finish up our mounting brackets as well as decide what we're going to do with the hose inlets and outlets and the filler neck and the overflow canister. Be prepared to spend some time here working through all of this until you get it set up exactly the way you want it.